हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड 5th का EVS2 का लेसन नंबर 1 व्हाट इज हिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। तो जो भी हम आंसर्स देखेंगे वो शॉर्ट में रहेंगे ताकि आपको लर्निंग में भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। ए, द साइंस दैट ट्राइज टू अंडरस्टैंड द पास्ट इवेंट इज कॉल्ड हिस्ट्री। बी, हिस्ट्री इज नॉट रिटन solely on the basis of imagination. Second, answer each question in a one sentence. A, what is the scientific method? Answer, the method of using a number of tests to determine whether the evidence is reliable is called the scientific method. B, of which action is India's independence the result? Answer, the Indian people fought against the British government to get independence. As a result, India became an independent nation on 15th of August 1947. C, what does the study of history make possible? Answer, the study of history makes it possible for us to study what is and what is not favorable for the progress of human society. Third, answer the following questions in a brief. A, why is history considered to be a scientific discipline? Answer, history uses the scientific method at every stage, namely while looking for and collecting evidence and while putting it together. When required, help is also taken from other sciences. That is why history is considered a scientific discipline. B, what is that puts obstacles in the way of village development? Answer, if the people of the village work together and help one another, the village make a good progress. However, if the people cannot come together, it puts obstacles in the path of village development. Fourth, complete the concept chart. History of a river, of a fort, of the computer, of my own, of a school, of a park, of a temple, of a village. Fifth, classify the sources of history using the chart given here. So let's see the sources of history. Material include coins, forts, pots, ochre, stone inscription, pillars, rock-cut caves. Written, letter, copper plates, biographies. Oral includes traditional songs, folk songs, and folk tales. Okay student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Then do like, comment and share. And for more such a video, subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in next video. Till that, keep learning.